Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Eurowings flight booking and travel management app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer: this is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Eurowings is an airline app designed to help travelers search, book, and manage flights conveniently from their mobile devices. It's developed by the German low-cost carrier Eurowings and is available on both iOS and Android. The app allows users to check flight schedules, manage bookings, check in online, and download mobile boarding passes for a smoother travel experience. It also provides live flight updates, gate information, and access to customer support, making it a reliable companion for both business and leisure travelers. The app's main feature is its quick and easy booking system. You can search for budget-friendly flights across Europe, select seats, and complete payments securely within minutes. Users can also manage their extras like baggage, meals, and preferred seating directly from the app. Integration with the Eurowings reward program allows frequent flyers to earn and redeem miles seamlessly. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Eurowings' straightforward interface, affordable fares, and smooth online check-in process. Real-time updates on flight status and gate changes help reduce travel stress, while digital boarding passes make airport navigation faster. Frequent flyers also find the app's integration with Miles and More, Lufthansa Group's loyalty program, a major advantage. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users have reported occasional technical glitches, such as app freezes or issues accessing boarding passes offline. Customer service response times can also vary, especially during flight disruptions. Additionally, flight change or refund options may feel limited compared to other major airline apps. In summary, the Eurowings app may be worth using if you frequently fly within Europe and want a convenient, budget-friendly way to book and manage flights. However, if you're looking for premium travel services or need advanced customer support options, it might not fully meet your expectations. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.